let's talk a bit about the common concerns or the reasons, and some of which you can see with the pilots tried to address the common concern. One of them, not surprisingly, is privacy. And people tell me a mileage-based user fee can be used to monitor my location. I have actually had several reporters tell me, this is a confession they have told me, that they are worried that with this system that their wife would find out that they are cheating with their mistress. And I have said to them, okay, that seems like another problem that you need to be. But in fact, that is the good news for them. I guess it's good news for them. I don't know. Is that MBUFs, the way they use GPS, it is a one-way collection device. And so you would need a second system to actually identify exactly where and when that person is in a specific location. And so this sort of real-time tracking is not something that can actually happen right now with the systems that are being used today. Another concern we have is rural residents. Rural folks believe that they'll pay more because they drive more, which is, I can understand that logic. But what we found is because overall, rural residents tend to have vehicles that are less fuel efficient, I want to say that correctly, they actually wind up paying less than they would now. They wind up with a lower percentage of the overall cost, a smaller burden, because overall, not in all cases, but overall, the vehicles that rural folks drive tend to be more pickup trucks, less fuel efficient. And the other issue we get, or another issue we get, I should say, is equity. It's unfair to low-income residents with older vehicles, and I guess I would point out that it is much better for those folks than the gas tax, because right now, under the gas tax, if you have an older vehicle, you're the one that's really paying, whereas here you're actually paying a more proportional share.